Ashley here with YogaZo. If you've been to any of my classes in the last couple of weeks, we've really been working on breaking down Wild Thing. So I wanted to do a quick little walkthrough today for those of you who maybe haven't been able to make it to a class or watching from afar. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off in our down dog, lifting our sits bones high, melting our heart low down towards the shins, and really finding that length and security through our hands. Today I'm going to lead with the left foot. So I'm going to draw the left toes high to the sky and start to stack that left hip on top of the right. But I want to make sure from here that my left shoulder doesn't start to twist and float up. I want to keep strong through my hands. I can dip the toes to start to feel and play around with what this is going to do with the weight balance and the shift. What I want you to do is start to bend into that right knee, twist that foot so that we can start to get a nice solid ground here, and then gently drop the left toes back behind us. I can stay here and continue to work open through that Wild Thing, maybe connect to a mudra. Or, option is, come high on those toes, stack the hips, bend the knee, and then bring that those left toes down, and then sit down, kind of reset, getting my bearings here. And then I can draw those left fingertips up and back and really find a Wild Thing that works for me here, more supported. But I want to make sure that I'm stacking my joints, getting nice and long here. Now to get out of it, I want to follow this left thumb all the way back down to the mat, and I'm back to my three-legged dog. Thanks so much, yogis. Until next time.